So I've got this mower deck in pretty good shape. I greased both of the pulleys, the shaft. Yesterday there was a part down here where the blade was hitting this piece right here, and I hammered on it for quite a while, and the video apparently didn't take. But this piece used to be connected, I think, here, and it got busted loose, and I've welded a piece inside of here to keep stuff, rocks and grass and stuff from flying out. But what I did this morning is I clamped this, so that I pulled this together. I'm gonna get my welder and I'm gonna try to get a good welder bead right up along in here to tie this together to that, so there's something to hold this heavy piece, which is supposed to be for, you know, if you run into something, it's hard enough so that it won't mash that metal into the blade. That's what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna re-weld it here, and I may take a hammer once I weld this and tap this in and put it in a little bit more. I'm gonna sit y'all maybe over here while I do that welding part. I believe that mower is ready to go back underneath there. I think what I'd like to do is woggle it around here out of the way, sweep up all this dirt, and then bring it back and slide it in. So I think I'm gonna just kind of, I know it's hot right there, so I don't want to grab it. Maybe I'll just sort of, I don't know. Go get me a good broom, I think, and sweep that up. Let's give her a try.
Okay, hold your breath, there it goes. I can hear that blade hitting that point under there where I hammered. That might wear a piece of that off. There's the piece we just cut, right there. You can tell that the blades look like they're pretty decent. I think we're okay with that. I think I'm going to call that good. Those tips of those blades are hitting that little piece of metal under there where I welded that. But you know what? That'll beat that metal off of there pretty quick that way. And I'm willing to let it. I'm going to put her back away for now. Let's see what else we want to get into today. My camera's telling me my battery's running dead, and Honey Baby's taking a nap in there in the room where the battery is, so I'm not going to go get it. So I won't be making any more videos today. But I will later on down the line somewhere. So I love y'all. I appreciate you, and I look forward to hanging with you again pretty soon. Bye-bye now.